Howdy everybody, it's Brian, Indiana Creek Gold Prospecting and Pay Dirt. It's been about 24 hours since I spoke to you last. It has not stopped snowing yet. Wind's picked up good for a few hours now. We're going to have that into tomorrow. They're saying we have about a foot. But I don't see how anybody can measure it because it's drifted everywhere. I mean, you can see grass over in that spot, but I'm sure up the road here on the east-west roads, there's probably 5-6 foot drift. So looks can be deceiving, I guess. Had a few people get a hold of me. Need some contact info for the giveaway. Once again, thanks everybody for helping out on that. So anybody else need to get a hold of somebody to send your prize to them or claim your prize, let me know. Contact info's in the description of that last video I had out. Millie makes it rough to sled. She either drags them off the sled or grabs the sled and takes off with it. So they don't get much sledding done as much as they do fighting the dogs. And hell, a fat dog, baby girl's down there with them even. But it don't look real bad around here. Wind's been straight out of the north, and this our cabin is pretty much squared up north, south, east, west. So around here's where winter's at. So yeah. But y'all take care, stay safe. Like I said, get with me if you need to for some contact info. Y'all take care.